In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can choose a niche for your store. Stay tuned right till the end. So you're probably wondering why select a niche. The reason you select a niche is, one, you're going to find way better conversion rates if you select one. So it's much easier to brand a store around a niche, and it's way easier to then upsell people, cross-sell, and continue to market to them, building a long-term business. A niche attracts passionate buyers, and so that's why you want to select a niche for your store. So the first step in choosing a trend is having a look at the current environment out there and seeing, is there a new emerging trend? For example, this year, work from home became a huge trend due to COVID-19. Now, if you don't want to go down that path, the next step you could take is go into Google Trends and have a look at your niches that you have brainstormed and see if they're in an upwards trend or if they're in a downwards trend. If they're in an upwards trend, it's going to be much easier to market to people because there's already some demand out there in the market with people ready to buy. The second criteria I like to look for is, are there passionate audiences around this? For example, pets has very passionate audiences of people buying their products. So if you own a pet, you're very, very passionate and you even love that pet, right? So that person is passionate about the products they buy. They buy based on emotion. And because of that, they'll spend more and they'll keep buying from you. So you'll get a lot more repeat purchases from a passionate audience. The next one I like to look for is, preferably the niche should be evergreen, okay? And what I mean by that is health and fitness will always be around, right? People want to be fit, people want to be healthy. So an evergreen niche just means that it's going to be around for a long time, okay? Now, the work from home example that I used, it seems to be that will be around for a very long time. So although that's a new trend, I also believe it will be evergreen. Number 4 is, does the niche carry with it complementary products? So for example, the pet niche has tons of products in it, right? It's not too nichey. It doesn't just have one product, it has a variety of things like dog beds, dog crates, collars, leashes, all sorts of things that are complementary or additional to the core product. The next thing I like to look for is a high profit dollar margin per sale niche. And what I mean by that is, realistically, it just needs to be a high ticket product, right? Because a high ticket product is going to have more profit dollars in it than a low ticket product. So preferably, I like to look for niches with high profit dollar and high sales value. Now, the final step, the 6th step, is totally optional, but a lot of people, myself included, prefer to sell things that we're passionate about. The reason for that is, if you're passionate about something, you will stick to it for way longer. It won't become a chore. You'll find it very easy to find additional products and additional opportunities within that niche. So if you're passionate about something, consider selling products within that niche.